Ever wondered how to make money using ChatGPT? Welcome to the world of advanced artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is your go-to AI, capable of understanding and generating text that's so human-like, you'd think it's your buddy chatting with you. It's an incredibly powerful tool, adaptable for a myriad of applications. From drafting emails to crafting engaging content, ChatGPT has got you covered. Now imagine turning this cutting-edge technology into a revenue stream. Is it possible? Absolutely. Monetizing ChatGPT is as simple as following a few steps. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to gain access to ChatGPT. This can be done by applying on the OpenAI website. Consider this your ticket to a world of AI-powered possibilities. Once you're in, the real fun begins. Next up, it's time to bring your business idea to life. This should be something that can harness the power of ChatGPT. Perhaps you're thinking of creating a chatbot service, offering content generation, or even launching a language translation service. The world is your oyster, and ChatGPT is your pearl. Once you've got a solid idea, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start building. This is where you'll use ChatGPT to develop your application or service. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person wielding it. So make sure to take the time to understand its ins and outs. Finally, you'll need to market your service and find your customers. This is where you'll need to be savvy and strategic. Look for gaps in the market, identify your target audience, and tailor your messaging to them. Persistence and creativity are key here. It's as simple as that. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can turn ChatGPT into a lucrative business. So what are you waiting for? The future is yours for the taking. Now that you know how to monetize ChatGPT, what's stopping you? Imagine the possibilities. ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's an opportunity, a game changer. It's a chance to revolutionize how we communicate, how we do business, and how we solve problems. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned business person, or even a curious mind, ChatGPT promises a world of opportunities. As we speak, technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. It's not just about keeping up, it's about being ahead of the curve. Those who adapt quickly, those who embrace change, they are the ones who thrive. They are the ones who stand out. They are the ones who shape the future. So, are you ready to be a part of this revolution? Are you ready to harness the potential of ChatGPT? Don't wait for the future to happen. Be a part of shaping it. Start using ChatGPT to make money today.